You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word. The name of an indigenous people of the Pacific Northwest coast of North America. For more Native American names, make sure to stay tuned. I know it's spelled Tlingit, right? But that's not how you pronounce it. Rather, you have the phonetic spelling down the bottom of your screen here. Tlingit. Yes, I know, it's like KL. Should be a K if it was spelled phonetically. Tlingit. Tlingit. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.